Okay, so out of all the cool things I've seen at CES 2026, these are actually the very first pair of AI glasses that I've tested. They're from a company called MemoMind. They're actually a sister company of XGIMI, which you might have seen before as a projector company. When you actually think about it, these are mini projectors essentially in glasses, and instead of the projector screen being your wall, being somewhere where you would look at, the actual projector, screen is on the glasses itself, which is really cool. And typically for most other display glasses, which I've reviewed a ton of over the years, those ones rely on an input source from, say, your phone or from a laptop, a different sort of source. These ones are all self-sufficient, kind of built into the actual glasses itself. So you're not getting a large mirror display, like you're not watching movies or content on this. You're just getting useful everyday info that you would like to use for your day-to-day. And obviously the big benefits of these, you can probably see that right there. They look like actual glasses. You can actually barely tell where the screen is, and there's also a ton of customization options. So if we actually come look this way, so for example, on the frames, you can get some in tortoise, you can get clear shells, you can kind of see the gradient like the pair that I'm wearing right now. And even for the stems, you can get them in titanium, you can get them in a brush material or matte, different sizes, different shapes, because obviously glasses differ from person to person. You can get ones that are more oval, you've got the classic Wayfarer look, maybe the more squarish ones to give you a bit of a smarter look. But I'd say the customization part is the coolest, and you can see some of the different options that they've got laid out all here. And you can pretty much see the rest of the components here, very streamlined, very minimal. For example, the frames, you can see the mini projectors and technically the screen, which is the lens, and the little square where the display kind of goes. I would say compared to the traditional mirroring glasses, these ones have an easier angle of view, whereas those other ones you kind of have to look up. The display image here is right in the center. You can control things via the app, which is great. And the second biggest benefit of these, because the display, you're not seeing a lot of content, just the green text, way less strain on your eyes, so overall better for your eye health. But if we come over to here, you'll see the three different models. So I'm wearing their flagship right now. This is the Memo 1 over onto the Memo Air display, which is just the display. And you can see that there's no speakers in the back. And the last one being the Memo Air, which looks like a traditional pair of glasses. So there's no display on those, and they just have speakers in the back. All depends how you want to use your AI glasses, but let's get to some of the main features, which you can see here. So quickly launching the Memo app, you can kind of see the main dashboard, which you'll select. So for example, you can go to news, calendar. I typically have mine set to stocks. Bit of a red day today, which is totally fine. Interesting at CES though. The next really useful feature is recorder. So you can select it to record through your glasses, or say you're trying to listen to your professor talk, you can place your phone closer and you can switch between both and then just start the recorder. Obviously we're recording this live right now, so you can see that entire thing. And when you're done, you just hit stop. And with any good AI recorder, you can see the original transcript, and it even gives you a summary of what we were just talking about briefly, which is cool. And what's really nice, these are all just stored on your phone. You don't need a separate device for them. Obviously, a big one being translate. I do not speak any Chinese. My French is terrible. So let's actually switch this from English to, I've always wanted to speak Japanese. Hey, how's it going? I wish I could speak Japanese to you. If you can, you should know what I'm saying. And obviously you guys can't see this, but say you are speaking Japanese to me, I can get that full translation in those lines on my glasses, and then I can understand what you're saying, which is cool. So another really cool thing, probably pretty relevant here for the type of stuff that I do, is teleprompt. So say this video was scripted, which it's not, I'm just talking in real time. Say one of my scripted videos back home, I could actually see that script through the glasses itself, and then I wouldn't have to do a million takes like I normally do. You guys just see the polished video, but it takes me quite a few takes. The next thing here, as an example, we've got immersive audio. So say you want to listen to something, music, podcasts, whatever you want. And the last example, say you are trying to navigate. Vegas is the biggest maze, trying to get, say, from here to our next meeting to some of the exhibits. It is so tough. I wish I just had a little navigator in my eyes or in my screen, and I wouldn't have to constantly be looking at my phone. So some pretty cool things that you can do with this. And lastly, one of the coolest little features is called Conversant, which you can technically use if you are, say, doing trivia. You can activate that. The glasses will listen to, say, someone asks a question. How many people live in Vegas? How many people attend CES? You'll get that prompt that will appear. So you look like a bit of a genius, and no one actually will know because you've just got glasses that look similar to what a normal pair would look like. Last but not least, they have this little button on the side to say you just want to ask questions. Once again, you just kind of hold that down. You can ask the same thing. How many people are attending CES right now. Over like 100,000. I knew that because this is, year 12 for me at CES, but pretty cool to check out this pair of AI glasses. They're really pushing the customization and they're really pushing the streamlined look. They honestly look like a pair of regular glasses, and these should be available on Kickstarter in mid-April, delivery in June. But obviously you have that tech benefit of AI and ChatGPT built in. Can't wait to get these at home to use more on the daily, and hope you enjoy this vid from CES. Peace.